My wonderful people, a lot of things you don't happen for just short of time. We just close our eyes, say make we rest. So now the conquerors come see you, say I beg go balaba just may you know rest. Say things are happening. You need to talk about them. Now I say no. I carry my camera, run they go. As it be like this now, they say that for G River, for inside the Enugu state, wetin happen there yesterday. Now this thing happen. I also move bring and come give you now. Even the one wey happen today, no be small thing. They say that yesterday, na so the people wey they call Fulani Herdsman go carry thousands of people enter inside bush. As we dey talk now, many people don't buy. Things are happening. Now when they ask where our securities, where then they. As we dey talk again today for the same Enugu, now they say government go meet police people where they for checkpoint. Oh God, they buy every of them where they there will come sell their motor they burn your tire. This one they happen for Enugu again as we dey talk. My people, you don't read though. Don't forget to see there for Blabajis. I'm going to play this video. May you hear him as our brother they talk up. Say him be the only person who survive for those people where they carry for G River side for inside Enugu. Just watch the video. We'll come back and continue.
The school of Health, can you hear me? I'm talking to you now. Everybody is inside you. I'm the least surviving person. The school of Health. But I cheat. I'm not even AK-47. My one fashion. My pipe. One part. Okay, everybody. Here go now. Here go now. Okay, that is good. Now school of Health. Now school of Health. Who's on school of Health? You remember? Close to the road. Got report on a station. Got a station. When I report to go. So I told us at a hospital. Ghana call me. Didn't happen. Everybody only me. Ghana call me. I'm just saying. But then when I am moto, or may escape, or that same will escape. They can't take them now. So I think they left this one now. Hello? Oh my God. Oh, one guy walk at the okay. Oh my God. I'm the guy come. I heard come go Okada. Where do you show your wife? Show your wife. Thank you. Yes. Oh my. I don't know. Abu Herbe. Yeah, but Maka has to national. And how about over here? Now they shot harassing dog. I think matched with that. It was a matched count I saw, no? What about our students? Hello. And now she was the one driving. Oh my God. I want to understand something. You cannot blame her because they shot a gun now. I want to understand the person. How many people there with you? 3 male or female? Just talk to you. I want to understand. You say why in your glass? One of them. Yes, that would be a no shoes. That guy. And what Fulani is just out.
Yeah, my wonderful people. Sure, you don't hear them as it happen for inside the area. Most of them when you don't understand Igbo, he say those people they carry they pass four at the double cross on so they start to open fire. They everybody. Now so that those two people where you see now we don't come up for that area. Now so only these people, other ones they carry them enter inside bush. Okay, my people, let us look wetin happen today for inside the same Enugu. May you hear as these people take go for checking point where the police people dey na buy everybody for just watch the video. Hey. Hey. Chineke. Okay, my wonderful people, Shebuna don't hear them. And this one they happen for Enugu, but a place where they call Umunze. This place, they say that the army people enter there, go lock everybody, both shop, both field station, they lock everything unlockable and say no movement for that area. So I'm going to play you the video. May you still hear them as this our brother they talk am before we come back and continue.
I don't know about the north. The water go. Also, nada. Ndametigo ndị mmadụ na-egwu chụbasị onye ọhụrụ n'ime bot free session ma ihe na onye ọhụrụ na-mechie ma ndị ọba mmas ma kwuo ma n'ụlọ ụka sef je ndị mmadụ ọsọ onye ama akara ndabata ụmụnze na-adụ by this time n'ezie ka ọ dị everywhere they locked down the water go I locked everywhere down.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, please, I'm going to post these videos on my X. Go there and watch it. Balabas G's. You are going to get it, or I'm going to put the link in the comment section so that you go watch and for inside that place. For inside our X, we are going to drop the link on our comment section. You will see the full thing where happen as it happen for that side. Or more things are happening for inside Satis as we talk right now. Not only God though, now I go save us. But however, we say we'll bring the update. Can't give on more na still. If you there for this area where these things happen, still bring for us of waiting happen. How it take be for inside that area. Tell us how your area they be, or if you get any update where you know say where they happen for your area, make sure you capture them so that the world go know wetin they happen. As it be, please drop your own opinion in the comment section.
Welcome to the place where the news unfolds, where stories are told and the truth is gold. Barnabas Gist, we a daily guide, bringing you the updates with nothing to hide. From the heart of the city to the world at large, we're keeping you informed as we take charge. With every headline and every fact, with the pulse of the moment, no turning back. Barnabas Gist, where the news comes alive, keeping you in the know, helping you thrive. Current affairs straight to your screen, making our community stronger, that's our dreams. That's our dreams. When the world's spinning fast and you're feeling lost, we've got the latest, no matter the cost. From breaking news to the stories that matter, we sift through the noise, the truth's what we gather. You're never alone with us by your side. We're building a bond, a connection worldwide. For every update, big or small, we're here to deliver, answering the call. Barnabas Gist, where the news comes alive, keeping you in the know, helping you thrive. Current affairs straight to your screen, making our community stronger, that's our dreams. That's our dreams. We're more than a channel, we're a trusted friend, keeping you informed right till the end. In every headline, in every word, your voice, your concerns will always be heard. Brought up is just where the news comes alive, keeping you in the know, helping you thrive. Current affairs straight to your screen, making our community stronger, that's our dreams. That's our dreams. Yeah, that's our dreams. So tune in today and every day too. Barnabas Gist, we're here just for you. With every update, we're keeping you bright, making the world better together, we light. Spinning fast and you're feeling lost, we've got the latest, no matter the cost. From breaking news to the stories that matter, we sift through the noise, the truth's what we gather. We're never alone, with us by your side, we're building a bond, a connection worldwide. For every update, big or small, we're here to deliver, answering the call.